Santa's got a twinkle in his eye. Reindeer zooming through the frosty sky. Gifts are piling up so high. Oh, spin the wheel, it's Christmas cheer. Jingle jackpot drawing near. Buy a gift and make it right. Your luck.
Hi guys, so leo niko home Ocha cause I've come to attend a friend's burial. Ni friend, ni jirani, ni classmate, ni first love. Yani yule mtu tulikuwa tunaandikwa noise making na yeye tunaandikwa hapo times 3. He has passed on. So I'm so sad because he wasn't sick. This is literally my age mate, born April, me I'm born June. And aligongwa na mti and he just passed on immediately. So mazishi iko opposite our home.
Hi guys, welcome back to her YouTube channel.
Yeah, and thank you so much. We are at 800
and please subscribe
subscribers.
to her YouTube channel.
Yeah, so nimekuja home ni park ndio sasa niende mazishi huko just opposite tu. I'll show you where I schooled. Though hiyo time ilikuwa shule ya Matope. Yeah. And the only private school in this village. It has made great people like me. This is where I schooled. It's right opposite our home. And that time it was called Moview Academy. Now with the CBC it has junior and secondary school. And the guy who passed on was literally my desk mate, my neighbor. We used to do homework together and it's kind of sad. So this is where the burial was taking place. And because he's a son to the owner of this school's brother. So like kwao ni hapo mwenye mnaona ni ya red. So I used to attend this middle class yenye iko na blue. It was called class 8 pink and class 8 green. And I used to be a bright student, so coming back here gives me some goosebumps, it gives me some memories. Yani, I'm so saddened by that death. Because imagine, huyu ni mse ako 32 years like me. He has left a young family. I think Katoika ako 3 years old. And hakukuwa msick. Si ati zile unasikia mtu alikuwa na cancer ama amebattle chronic illness ama amepata accident, no. This was just wanakata mti imekwama, wanaivuruta ikamgonga. So he has died very young. I'll surely miss him. Tulisoma pamoja na Alex, tulifanya ujinga. Yani it is saddening. It is really saddening. May he so rest in peace. May he find eternal rest. Alikuwa msempua. Tulikuwa tunaitana first love. Then when I come home and I don't tell him I'm coming, ako, mbona hujanishow nakuja wewe? So it is well with our souls. So the beauty of having a car with a big boot is that you can literally carry everything. Although those wood you see over there, they landed me into trouble with the police. Uko Nyambare. But I wanted a few to plant flowers. Because kuku zinanimalizia plants. Nikipanda zinakula. So my mom said now, she was so happy that we came. So I was given this kuni and then nikapewa vitu mingi za kubeba. Siwezi sikia njaa nikirudi Nairobi. Tulionana nao siku yenye tulimaliza KCPE 2007. So of course watu wamechange. Wengine wako na watoto 3, wengine 4, wengine hawajaoa, wengine ndo wanaanza familia, wengine watoto wao wako high school. And that's the beauty of life. Sasa kuna wenye tunazika like this is the 5th classmate. Now this is primary school. Among the students tulisomea Mwao, class 8 of 2007, we've already lost 5 people. Mmoja ni accident, mwingine alichomwa juu ya wizi, huyu amegongwa na mti, mwingine aligonjeka hivyo. And we really appreciate the diversity of life. And enyewe hakuna manual. Enyewe live your life when you can. Because the next minute is not really guaranteed. So it was a good time. It's now time to go back. It's 6 p.m. na kutoka hapa kwenda Nairobi is 3 hours, 4 hours, depending na venye nitapata traffic Naivasha. But hey, Simadhi ameni spoil. I'm really spoiled. Nimewekewa waru, nimewekewa mahindi, nimewekewa mbao huko nyuma za kupandia maua. So I'm so happy. It was also nice catching up with my siblings. Alex will really be missed. Nitamiss kabisa.
May God rest his soul in peace. Yani acha tu ikuwe hivyo juu sasa what to do. Yeah, so back to Nairobi. I'll take a day off. Kesho niko Wera vibaya sana. So thank you so much. I'm at 800 subscribers. May God bless you abundantly and may you never lack. Wewe mwenye unawatch na ujisubscribe kindly. Subscribe. Now we're on the road to 1000 subscribers. Yay! Drum rolls! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. The time I reached 100 subscribers is so fresh. Now that I'm at 800 subscribers, I'm still so glad. Can you imagine 800 people following you? That is love, and I really appreciate it. So tuishi maisha, because the next minute is not really guaranteed. Yeah, Alex is the last person I would have thought atakufa. And he used to tell me, sasa wewe je, utaolewana nani? Nani atakuoa? Si hata ukuje unichukue mimi nikuwe shamba boy wako or something, cause wewe kitu unahitaji sahi kwa mwanaume ni company na jina ya kusikikanga umeolea. And then we would joke around it, and then we tell, na baby daddy wako anasemanga nini? Ananiambianga atarudi, atakuja kuchukua mtoto. So he used to update me on those. So I don't know who will be updating me on how my baby daddy is progressing, but I'll really miss him. I don't know. It's not really easy. Yeah. Bye. Adios.